So, you've probably heard all the buzz about AI taking over the world, right? But how do you stay ahead of it? Today, I'm going to show you 5 essential AI skills that will not only keep you competitive, but also open up new opportunities for you, like starting your own faceless YouTube channel. And guess what? You can learn all of these skills for free. Sounds good, right? Stick with me and I'll show you exactly where to start, where to learn these skills, and how you can put them into action. I promise if you stay until the end, you'll be walking away with game-changing knowledge and some super actionable tips. Ready? Let me show you now. Alright, first up, prompt engineering. Now, don't let the name scare you off. It's actually pretty straightforward and super useful. Imagine AI as this powerful tool, kind of like a magic lamp. But instead of rubbing the lamp, you have to ask the AI the right way to get what you need. That's what prompt engineering is. It's all about how you word things when you're working with AI systems like ChatGPT or GPT-4. If you don't ask the right questions, well, the AI won't give you the answers you want. Here's why it's a game changer. Prompt engineering gives you the power to get accurate, meaningful, and creative results from AI. Let's say you're writing a blog or scripting a video. You could just say, hey AI, write me a blog post. But that's too vague. If you refine your prompt, like write me a blog post about how to use AI tools for creating content in 2024, you'll get a much better result. You're basically telling the AI what to focus on. The cool part? You don't need to go to a fancy school to learn this. You can start experimenting right now for free using platforms like ChatGPT or GPT Playground. And there's also Prompt Engineering Academy on YouTube. They break it down into bite-sized tutorials that are really easy to follow. So if you're curious, I want you to drop a comment with one prompt you would use right now to test out ChatGPT. I'll read through them and maybe even test a few myself. Next up is something that's super relevant for anyone trying to stand out online. AI-powered personal branding. Let's face it, everyone's trying to carve out their space on the internet. Whether you're a freelancer, a content creator, or even just someone building a personal website, AI can help you build a killer brand that actually stands out. And you don't have to be a designer or a marketing genius to do it. You know how a personal brand is like your online first impression? Well, AI can help you automate a lot of it. Imagine using AI to generate your logo, write your social media posts, or even come up with content ideas. And it's not just about automating, it's about making sure your brand stays consistent and professional across all your platforms. You can focus on the stuff that matters, like connecting with your audience, while AI takes care of the rest. For this one, start with Canva. It's got tons of AI-powered features to create logos, banners, and other design elements, and you can use a lot of it for free. Plus, there's Copy.ai, which helps generate content like blog posts or social media updates in seconds. And if you want a bit more structured learning, Coursera has free courses on personal branding that you can sign up for. I'd love to know, what would your AI-powered personal brand look like? Let me know in the comments and I'll share some examples in my next video. Alright, on to skill number 3, data storytelling and visualization. Now, I know data sounds boring to a lot of people, but hear me out. This is one of the most underrated skills out there. It's the ability to take raw data, like numbers and stats, and turn it into a story that people actually care about. And when you can do that, you can make anything from a business proposal to a social cause come to life. Here's why this is so important. We live in a data-driven world, but most people can't make sense of it all. If you're the one who can take complex spreadsheets and turn them into a story that resonates, whether it's through visuals, charts, or even interactive dashboards, you've got a massive advantage. For example, let's say you work in marketing and you need to present customer behavior trends. Instead of a boring report, you can create an interactive dashboard or a visual that shows exactly how customer behavior is changing in a way that your team can act on. You can learn this for free using Google Data Studio. It's an incredible tool that lets you turn data into interactive reports. No coding skills required. Another free resource is Storytelling with Data. They have a blog and free webinars that teach you how to create engaging data visuals that make an impact. Here's a quick challenge. What's one set of data you've seen recently that could use a little storytelling? Tell me in the comments and let's brainstorm how you could visualize it better. This next one's for all the creatives out there. Creative AI thinking. Basically, it's about using AI in ways that are outside the box. It's not just about automating tasks. It's about pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. Think of it like collaborating with AI to create something completely new. This skill is huge because it opens up so many possibilities. For example, if you're an artist, you can use AI to generate unique artwork. Or if you're a musician, you can create music that blends different genres with the help of AI tools. It's like having a creative partner who can come up with ideas you might not have thought of yourself. And the best part is, the more you experiment, the more you realize that the sky's the limit with AI. To get started, check out free tools like Deep Dream for AI generated art, or Runway ML for experimenting with creative visuals and videos. And if you're into music, Ampere Music has free tools to help you compose AI generated tracks. Platforms like FutureLearn and Udemy also offer free courses on creative AI thinking, so you can dive deeper into this skill. Have you ever used AI to create something? Drop a comment with what you've made. I'd love to hear about your creative projects. Now for the bonus skill, and I'm super excited about this one because I know a lot of you have been asking about it, faceless YouTube videos. So if you're not comfortable being in front of the camera but still want to start a YouTube channel, this is for you. With AI, you can create videos without ever showing your face, and it's easier than you think. Faceless channels are becoming really popular because they let you focus on content without worrying about what you look like on camera. You can use AI-generated voiceovers, text-to-video tools, and even AI avatars to build engaging content. So if you've been holding back because you're camera shy, this is your chance to start creating to get started. Use free tools like Jupyter AI link in the description for turning text into engaging videos, or 11 Labs for creating AI-powered voiceovers. Canva also has a free video editor with templates that you can customize. And don't forget, YouTube itself is a goldmine for learning. You can watch tutorials on my channel on how to build a successful faceless channel. If you could start a faceless YouTube channel today, what would your first video be about? Share your ideas in the comments and let's get the creativity flowing. So there you have it, 5 essential AI skills that you can start learning for free today. If you're serious about staying ahead in the world of AI, make sure to check out all the free resources I mentioned. And if you're ready to start your faceless YouTube channel, don't wait. There are so many tools at your fingertips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you found this helpful, and let me know in the comments which skill you're most excited to learn. Oh, and don't forget to check out the recommended video on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.